For those of you who have been watching, listening, and are in acknowledgement of the situation with Skowhegan, Maine District Court, as well as the probate court, the Supreme Court in Bangor, the Supreme Court in Portland, the court in Newport, Maine, they're all involved in judicial misconduct filings. When I tell you that, you look back to my record on Justia Google search of lawsuits, and you look through my videos, listen, watch, pay attention, and you'll hear their names and see the paperwork, as well as hear the audio recorded conversations about filings that have gone missing, people that have been involved in drug trafficking, sex trafficking, disappearances, arsons, murders, and where's my dog, Gypsy? Where is she? Troy Morton in Dale, Lancaster. Where is my grandmother's headstone, Tim Curtis, the Cadre and County of Somerset, Maine, USA. You've got some real frivolous role players, from representatives, senators, governor, her brother, her brothers, her sister, and many, many more, which would be her friends, state police, county sheriffs, their deputy doo-doos. And Franklin County, don't you think for a minute that I'm forgetting about you, because remember in 2011, 2 people got poisoned in Franklin County, Farmington, Maine, Department of Corrections, didn't they? Scott Nichols, the now president of the Sheriff's Association for the state of Maine. How about the deaths and disappearances in Somerset County, Dale, Lancaster? What happened to my Uncle Philip Dickey? Where's Tina Static? Why did I get poisoned in the jail October 18th? I became profusely sick, didn't I? You didn't think I'd make it in front of the judge. And then when I got home from seeing the judge, who was that sitting outside my property in a black, shiny truck with their lights on me? Do you know I've got witnesses to that? So with that being said, I know for damn sure that it's been a setup. All of these frivolous charges and the disappearance of paperwork and cases, it's all coming forward, you see. Because some of us know that when wrong is wrong, it needs to be brought to the attention of. But you see, I grew up in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. So with that being said, I learned a little bit. I didn't let the government suppress me. I didn't let them dumb me down. They abused me, and I became strong and very intelligent. I got a great education from all of what you've done to me. So now I'm going to utilize it. Northern Light, which is run by, overseen by, who? Can you tell that? Dr. Dora? So with that being said, anybody else that's in Maine or in this country, I don't care. If you've been abused, there is a mission statement in the state of Maine. No excuse for abuse. So, Janet Mills, you've been recognized with all of the murders and what happened in Lewiston, the great big disaster, the shooting. How long did it take your friends to apprehend the deceased suspect? And why is it that your brother gave me the rights to his computer before he died, Janet Mills, and you made sure that I got kicked out of the family home over there in Wilton, Maine, back in March of 2023? Can you tell everybody what happened to all the filings with the Board of Overseers of the Bar Association? What happened to my mail? Ethan Keyes, the chief of police in Wilton? Stephen Charles, who are the FBI agents that recused? You recused yourself from the case. Perry said so, and then he resigned. So the town of Wilton, Maine has been hiding the information about the abuse and the sex trafficking and the drug trafficking out of the Bryants' home right there in Wilton, Maine, because the drugs were being distributed, taken across the street to Steve's Market. And don't even call me a liar. That's why you wanted me out of this town. Goodbye.